Well, I think it was the way I was educated that we have to keep the heritage in the family and you have to give it to the next generations. So I decided to come here. I was quite interested in sciences, and agriculture has a lot of science in the back. So at the beginning, I wasn't that keen on working on the fields, but with time, I started loving it and making things grow, understanding what is happening with the plants, crops, and animals. Of course, the area where I live is a very continental climate. We have a lot of very frequent droughts. They're getting worse and worse. So we have many times shortage of water. Fortunately, in the area we have a public dam, which help us with irrigation. But in the rain-fed area, sometimes it's very hard to produce because temperatures can be very high, lack of water. So it's not probably the best area to be a farmer, but you get used, and I was born with that, and I was used to learn to my father talking about all the pressure and the problems he had and all the things he had to solve in order to produce.